Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's see how to create the table in MySQL. Okay, so let's get started. So whenever we log into the MySQL workbench, we have to first create the databases. We have to first create the database. Once we create the database, then we have to create the table. Okay, so without creating the database, we cannot create the table. Okay, so if you want to check whether the database has been already created or not, so you can use this particular command, show databases. Use it. So here you can see the database by name school has been already created. Okay, so now it's time to use that particular database. Okay, so use school. That means like I am using this particular database in order to create the table. Okay, so without using this particular query or the command, you cannot create the table in that particular database. Okay, so now let's try to run this. So now it's time to create the table in that particular database. Okay, so now I am going to create the table. Create table. Okay, what kind of table we'll create? Okay, we'll create the student details. Student details. So here we'll try to give student age. That will be an integer. Student name, that will be a varchar. So let's give it as 25, and student class. Okay, so that will be an integer again, because like we don't know like whether the student is studying the first class, second class, or 10th class, or whatever it may be. Okay, so now let's try to close it, and we'll end with the semicolon. Okay, so here you can see the create table student details and student age, student name, and student class. Okay, so here I forgot to give the underscore, that's why it was showing some kind of error here. Okay, so this is how we can create the table. Now let's try to run this particular query or the command. So here you can see like create table student details. Okay, so there is one table by name student data. Student details has been created. In that table there are columns like student age, student name, and student class. Okay, so this is how you can create the table in the created database. Okay, okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you and all. Thank you. Bye bye.